Chapter 2 GUI Operating System. An Introduction. Objective. Introduction. Desktop. Live tiles. Applying screen saver user interface. Icons. Operating system. Taskbar. Universal apps. Power button. Introduction. To know about Windows, you must know about an operating system. An operating system is a set of programs which helps you to use the computer and manages all the tasks of the computer. It acts like a curtain which hides all the complexities behind that curtain and makes it easy for you to use the computer. Without the operating system, you will not be able to use the computer. It would be like a car without fuel. User interface. A user interface is an interface through which a user can communicate with the computer system. The examples are: suppose you want to call your friend using a mobile phone. You will open contacts from the list, find the friend's number, then select the number to give him a call. All the menus and lists you select or press to use your mobile phone are called user interfaces. Similarly, to play games, you need to go through menus and press the buttons to make a selection, and these are all user interfaces. Types of user interfaces. User interfaces are of two types. 1. CUI, Command User Interface. 2. GUI, Graphical User Interface. 1. Command User Interface. CUI. Command User Interface is an interface in which a user communicates with the system by typing text-based commands using the keyboard. User needs to learn and type lengthy commands and their syntax to perform a task. There is no use of menus and graphics. Example: Disk Operating System DOS. Graphical User Interface GUI. A graphical user interface is an interface in which a user can communicate with the system by using menus, lists, pressing buttons, making selections, etc. A GUI OS may include pictures, icons, buttons, menus, toolbars, and there is no need to learn and type lengthy commands to perform any task. Example: Windows Operating System. Operating system is a system software which acts as a link between the user of the computer and computer hardware. User 1, User 2, User 3. Application programs, operating system, compute hardware. Factoid. Windows 11 is the latest version of Windows operating system. As you can see in the figure, user can use the computer hardware through an operating system. An operating system is responsible for providing interface between the user and the computer, managing the computer resources like CPU, memory, disk drives, printers, etc., providing services for application software. There are various types of operating systems used these days like Linux, Unix, Mac, Windows, etc. Windows is the most commonly used operating system, and today we will discuss about this operating system. Windows 11. Windows is an operating system which provides a graphical interface to the user. It is developed by a software company named Microsoft. The first version of Windows was released in November 1985. Then with time, various versions came into existence with something new in every version. Windows 11 is the most recent version of Microsoft Windows. It is the next generation version of the world's most popular desktop operating system that controls all the operations of a computer. Windows 11 was released on October 5, 2021 and follows Windows 10, the previous version of Windows, released in 2015. Windows 11 is developed to use on personal computers, including home, businesses, desktops, laptops, notebooks, tablets, and media centers. Features of Windows 11. The Windows 11 user interface is similar to Windows 10, but includes several minor changes. For example, the taskbar, left-aligned, since Windows 95, is centered by default. Windows have slightly rounded corners, like Mac OS, and a subtle blurred translucent effect. Widgets in Windows 11 provide a quick way to view frequently accessed information, such as weather, calendar events, and to-do lists. Moreover, a new set of features to Microsoft Windows 11 will be the introduction of Snap layouts, Snap groups, and desktops. These offer a powerful way to organize multiple windows in a preset grid. With these Windows 11 features, you can organize windows and optimize screen real estate for a cleaner visual layout. Desktop. After you turn on the computer, the appeared screen on the monitor is known as desktop. The desktop contains top bar, launcher, activities panel, icons and applications. Icons. Icons are the small pictures or symbols visible on the desktop. They are used to open a program, folder or files, etc. Taskbar. The long horizontal bar at the bottom of the desktop is known as taskbar. It contains Start button, Quick Launch bar, Task View, Action Center and Show Desktop button. Start button. Start button is located in the center of the taskbar by default. When we click on this button, a menu appears on the screen. It is the Start menu. It has a list of headings under which programs are grouped together. Changing desktop background. 1. Right-click on the blank desktop area and select Personalize option from the pop-up list. 2. The settings window opens. 3. Background option is selected by default and the preview of the current background image can be seen on the right side of the window. 4. Click on the drop-down arrow of the background list box. 5. From the drop-down list, select Picture option. 6. From Choose Your Picture section, select a picture by clicking on it or click on Browse option to find more picture options. 7. Click on the drop-down arrow of Choose Your Fit list box and select any option. 8. You can preview the background picture in the Preview section. 9. The desktop background picture will be changed with the selected one. Icons. Icons are the small pictures with name which appears on the desktop screen. An icon represents a particular application. To open an application, you need to double-click on the corresponding icon. There are some icons which are always present on the desktop. They are This PC, Network and Recycle Bin. Tech tip. If you want to delete an object permanently from the computer, press Shift plus Delete key combination from the keyboard. Selecting an icon, move the mouse pointer on an icon and press left mouse button once. It will get highlighted. Selected icon. Deselecting an icon. Click anywhere away from an icon. The selected icon will be in its original form. Unselected icon. Arranging desktop icons. Click on the blank desktop area. From the pop-up list, go to View Auto Arrange Icons option. The icons will be arranged automatically on desktop screen. Sorting desktop icons. Click on the blank desktop area. From the pop-up list, go to Sort by name/size/item type/date modified. The icons will be sorted accordingly. Changing icons size. Click on the blank desktop area. From the pop-up list, go to View Large Icons/Medium Icons/Small Icons. Observe the change in the size of icons. Opening an application. Double-click on the corresponding icon. An application window will open. Right-click on the file. Select Open option. Operations performed on icons. Taskbar. Taskbar is a part of the desktop screen, and it appears as a long horizontal bar at the bottom of the screen. Taskbar is mainly divided into 3 sections. Start button. Start menu appears at the left side of the taskbar. On clicking the button, a menu opens up which has a list of options. You can select and start any application program. We can use the scroll button on the mouse to scroll the list of options. We can use the power option from the start menu to shut down, restart, or put the computer in sleep mode. Middle section. The section displays all the applications and programs that are currently being used. There are some icons that appear in the middle section of the taskbar, like Microsoft Edge, Task View, and Store. To open the application, you just need to click on these icons once. A search box is also there which is used to search for any application from the system of web by typing the related keyword or through Cortana. Notification area tech tip with peek button. Peek button is available to the right-most side of the taskbar. On clicking this, all the opened applications are minimized and you can see the desktop. Notification area is the area which appears on the right side of the taskbar. You can see some small icons which displays time, date, volume, network, connection, OneDrive, battery, etc. It can also be used to notify you about the programs that are running on the computer. Live tiles. When you click on the Start menu, it opens 2 panels, the left panel and right panel. The right panel shows various live tiles of some of the most popularly used apps such as weather, day and date, emails, picture gallery, games and office apps, Word, Excel, PowerPoint. These tiles are easily movable, resizable, or you can also remove them from the system. Pin tiles to start. 1. Click on Start button. 2. Right-click on the app which you want to pin. 3. Select Pin to Start option from the pop-up list. The app will appear as a tile on the right pane. Tech tip: you can disable the live title to stop it giving any updates by right-clicking on a title, and go to Mode, turn live title off option. Tech tip: you can also right-click on the tile on the right panel and select On Pin. from the Start option. On Pin from Start. 1. Click on the Start button. 2. Right-click on the app which you want to on-pin. 3. Select On-Pin from Start option. From the list, the app will be on-pin from the right panel. Pin to taskbar. 1. Click on the Start button. 2. Right-click on the app which you want to pin. 3. Go to More, Pin to Taskbar option. From the list, the app will appear as a tab on the taskbar. Moving tiles. 1. Move the mouse pointer on the tile and press the left mouse button and hold it. 2. Drag the mouse. You will see that the tile is also moving. 3. Now, you can move the tile to the desired location and drop it by releasing the mouse button. Resizing tiles. 1. Right-click on the tile. 2. Click on Resize. Medium/small/wide/large. 3. Observe the change in tile size. Universal Apps of Windows 11. The right panel of the Start menu shows various universal apps which are a part of Windows Store. These can be used in various devices such as smartphones, tablets, laptop computers, and desktop computers. These universal apps include Weather, Calendar, Photos, Cortana, Maps, etc. Here, we will discuss about some universal apps found in Windows 11. 1. Mail. Mail app helps you to manage all the mail accounts at one place. For this, you need to sign in to your account. You can check your mails and reply to the mails as well. You will receive the notifications of the incoming mails. 2. Calendar. Calendar app is used to display the current date and day. It helps the user to view the previous or next month dates so that he can plan his work accordingly. If you want to modify the calendar settings, you can do the same by using the setting option from the menu. 3. Weather. The Weather Universal app allows the user to check the weather details like temperature, rain forecast, weather conditions, etc. Applying a screensaver. While working on a computer, if the computer remains idle for some time, a moving image appears on the computer screen. It is called a screensaver. It is a computer program which fills the idle computer screen with a moving image. When you click any key or move a mouse, you will get back to the original screen. Factoid screensaver was originally designed to protect the screen from phosphor burn-in case of CRT monitors. But with the advancement in display technology, there is no need of screensavers. How to select a screensaver? 1. Right-click on the blank desktop area. 2. From the pop-up list, select Personalize option. 3. Settings window opens. 4. From Personalization section, select the Lock Screen option. 5. From right side, select the Screensaver Settings option. A Screensaver Settings dialog box opens. 6. Click on the Screensaver drop-down arrow. 7. From the drop-down list, select any screensaver. 8. To preview your screensaver, click on Preview tab. 9. Set the time in wait box by clicking on the up and down arrows. 10. Click OK button. Tech tip: a shortcut key to open a start menu is window key.